It's a very painstaking process trying to pick the right produce to make these gore sounds really kind of come to life on the screen. Some of the unique challenges in making sounds for horror movies come from trying to harness the actual real-world sounds of pain or gore, which are actually quite subtle. But you find that those elements are the things that creep people out the most. Zombies have become so popular in mainstream movie culture and television culture that we've got this huge history of zombie movies to kind of call upon. I really like the stuff that airs closer to what reality would be, or maybe more of the gory zombies that are more guttural and phlegmy. Those are the things that scare people a little bit more than the zombie movies of old.